from the days of the past. We whispered and spoke sweet words to each other. I still remember it so vividly, like bright sunshine in my mind. Nothing in this world can ever replace the love we shared. I remember our love from the days when we were young, when we were still vibrant and building our life together. I remember when we were a young couple. I was handsome, you also beautiful, and we had just met. Didn't feel old yet, remembering it all until today. But now year after year passes by so quickly. I turn around to look at myself in the mirror, realize I have truly grown old. It's so sad, all my friends. I remember the romance of many years gone by, when I first arrived to stay there with you. In the midnight we stayed, when the world's so silent. Even though the body grows old, the heart still remembers our love. Now this old body will never happen again. I remember the romance of many years gone by, when I first arrived to stay there with you. In the midnight we stayed, when the world's so silent. Even though the body grows old, the heart still remembers our love. Now this old body will never happen again.